Well, good day, folks. Welcome to the MB Wildman channel. On today's video, we're going to do an excerpt from a series called Focus on Trapping. Now, this was a DVD series put out years ago to train people how to trap, so it's great for the beginner, also great for the experienced trapper that wants just a little bit of a refresher or some new ideas for sets or anything like that. If you like the channel, enjoy the videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Without further ado, focus on trapping.
Fur bearers are trapped in most countries around the world for food, clothing, and, when necessary, to control animals which are perceived to be a nuisance. In Canada, trapping is a recognized wildlife management activity, and every effort is made to ensure complete utilization of the animal. Canadian trappers are deeply committed to animal welfare and are fully supportive of initiatives in humane trap research and development, as well as the principles of sustainable use outlined by the World Conservation Union.
This trap here is called C120 Magnum. It's a quick kill trap. Animals caught in this trap here don't suffer.
Wildlife use may be a contentious issue for some people who are separated from the land. Canadian trappers, however, spend their lives gaining intimate knowledge and experience of Canada's vast wilderness and wildlife. Their communities preserve the values and lifestyles of sharing, respect, and conservation of nature that have come down to us from the very beginnings of human culture. In 1985, the Fur Institute of Canada initiated a comprehensive trap research and development program. This was to ensure that Canadian trapping methods are as humane as current technology allows, while still being efficient and safe for the trapper. This research, which has gained international recognition, is concerned with the humane harvesting of all fur-bearing animals, regardless of whether they are trapped for their fur and other products or as pests and predators. Today, the Institute has the most extensive trap research program in the world. Located near Edmonton, Alberta, its 5-acre research facility is equipped with enclosures that simulate the habitat of study species, housing facilities for the study specimens, remote-controlled infrared cameras to monitor animal activity within the enclosures, an advanced technology laboratory and workshop for preparing and testing traps, advanced computer technology, and an extensive database. All aspects of the research program are conducted in accordance with the requirements of the Canadian Council on Animal Care. To ensure the scientific credibility of research results, a team of scientists, engineers, statisticians, and technicians follow a rigorous research protocol. The 4 stages of the protocol include mechanical evaluation, trap approach study, compound test, and field test. Over the years, trappers have sought to improve their traps so they could be both humane and capture efficient. Due to extraordinary advances in computer technology and developments in infrared photography, the Fur Institute is now able to extend the boundaries of the research compound and laboratories into the habitat of the animals it studies. For example, researchers can now record animal activity at the actual trap location. They can observe the behavior of the target animal as it approaches the trap and, at the same time, access information on how to avoid capturing non-target animals. Some of the most exciting developments in the Institute's research program are being achieved through the use of advanced computer technologies. Programs are now available that simulate the interaction of a target species with a computer-drawn trap. By loading all the data acquired over the past 15 years into a specially designed program, it is now possible to test a computer-generated trap on a computer-generated animal. This advanced technology will minimize the number of live animals required for the research and significantly reduce costs associated with trap testing. By verifying the performance of trapping devices, the Fur Institute's Trap Research and Development Program is making an important contribution to animal welfare. In addition, the program has also increased our knowledge of fur bearer biology, behavior, and habitat. The Fur Institute of Canada's pioneering trap research program provided the major scientific input to the negotiation of the Agreement on International Humane Trapping Standards, a remarkable achievement in furthering animal welfare. The ongoing research program has successfully identified numerous traps that meet the criteria of the agreement and, with new developments every day, the list of approved traps is constantly being updated. For a current list of approved traps, you can consult the Fur Institute of Canada website or contact us. The Fur Institute of Canada's efforts in humane trap research and development have gained universal recognition and have clearly established Canada as a world leader in this field. The work done here contributes valuable information and plays a crucial role in addressing concerns related to animal welfare, trapper safety, and trap efficiency. As with any other field of expertise, ongoing research will bring about further scientific and technological improvements. By supporting this research, which embraces tradition, science, and new technologies, wildlife harvesters and managers continue to demonstrate their commitment to the principles of conservation.
In December 1997, Canada signed the Agreement on International Humane Trapping Standards with the European Union and Russia. The AIHTS sets out performance thresholds for both killing and restraining traps used to capture 19 different species in those countries. 12 of the listed species are found in Canada. As the competent authorities identified in the AIHTS, the provinces and territories, and those Aboriginal groups that have wildlife management authority, are responsible for implementing the requirements of the agreement. Only those traps that are certified as meeting the AIHTS requirements for the 12 species will be allowed for use after 2007. To meet the requirements for trap certification, manufacturers must test or have tested through a credible testing agency any mechanically powered trigger-activated device they intend to market for use in Canada after 2007 for the purposes of capturing any of the 12 Canadian species listed in the AIHTS. This applies also to live capture box or cage traps. The species are beaver, muskrat, river otter, marten, fisher, raccoon, badger, ermine, coyote, wolf, lynx, and bobcat.